Good afternoon, guys. We will cook the creamy carbonara. Okay. So we have butter, then the onion and the garlic. Ayan. Let's add the mushroom. Okay, optional lang to. Alam nyo ba yung tunay na carbonara ay egg lang yon. Egg lang yon. So, yung Pilipino, dahil gusto nila yung creamy, nagkaroon ng creamy carbonara, Filipino version. So, we add our tuna with olive oil. In olive oil to ha, tong tunang ito. So, sama na natin yung olive oil, diba? Okay. This is quick and easy sa mga nagmamadali. Ito na lang ilutuin nyo. Creamy carbonara. Let's add our cooking cream. Cooking cream. And cream of mushroom. Kung ayaw nyo ng cream of mushroom, that's fine. Okay, let's add some chili flakes. Hint lang. Italian seasoning. Okay na, halo natin ang ating pasta. Yan siya. Turn off the heat and mix. Guys, let's add some parmesan cheese. And then parsley. Okay, thank you guys.